Guys, we're back at it again with a new video. Today we're gonna try something different. I know a DTG printer is to print on clothing, but I kind of heard somewhere that you can actually print on something else. Today I'm gonna be trying to print this box. It's an eBay box. That's right, we're gonna try to see if we can print on cardboard. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. This video might just end up like a big fail, but I saw a video somewhere, I really can't remember where, and they were printing on cardboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if we can actually print with the Epson today. So before I start doing anything crazy or start trying to print the box, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if the DTG can even if it'll print on it. Of course it'll print on it, but I want to see like if the ink will run, or if the ink will even dry on it and not come off. So first I'm gonna go ahead and do a test print with this, and I just taped it up like this. I mean, like crazy. I know it looks weird, but I just want to do a little test print and see how this comes out. If this comes out good, then I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to print the box. So here comes the first test print. I'm about to test it. Obviously I don't want to do a white underbase, so I'm not even thinking about how to pre-treat it or anything. I just want to do and I do have on Garment Creator, I put it like if it was a white shirt, so that way when it prints, it's just gonna print color. So it's just gonna end up thinking this is white, and if it was a white box then it'd be perfect, but it's a brown box, so it'll probably, let's just see how it'll come out. Okay, so I set the height correctly on this one. Not sure why I didn't check it on the other one. That was my fault. Let's see how it prints. Go ahead. Yo, that is crazy. For it to be a DTG print on the box, it does look good. As you can see, there's a lot of ink buildup there on the black parts, but other than that, it looks pretty good to me. Let me take this tape off real quick. That's crazy. So I'm gonna pass it over here to my conveyor dryer. And see how it looks. Hopefully on the other one, on the smeared one, it cured the ink. So I'm gonna see, we're gonna do a scratch test in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it comes out over here. Let me see, I'm gonna do the touch test. Yep, it dried it up pretty good. There was a lot of ink buildup there, you can see. So it does work. We're gonna go ahead and do the scratch test, see if it scratches off, or you see, as you can see, it's on there pretty good. It's not smearing or anything, so it cured pretty good. Now let me scratch it. Yo, I'm scratching it really, and it's not coming out. That is crazy. I don't know if you can see it. Obviously the cardboard right here, the box is kind of messed up, so it kind of did it weird right there, because it was like bent like that, so that's why the smearing is there. But look at this part. This is perfect. That's crazy. I wasn't too sure that it was gonna be able to do it, but as you can see, it is possible. So my next step is to try to print on the boxes, on the other boxes I have. So and if that works, then I'm gonna see what else I can print on. Honestly, I had no faith in this actually working. I mean, that's crazy. I can't believe this actually works. See, I'm actually scratching it, and I mean, obviously we scratched it, the cardboard box ends up messing up, but I mean that thing's on there. So now what's next is to try to print on this box. I'm not sure, this is actually double than that, so, and the size, it should be, so the area I want to print it at, it's 16 by 8. So the actual big plan, so it should let me print on this, but the only problem I have is the stabilization. How am I gonna be able to keep it flat? That's gonna be my only problem. The only thing I can think of is take these height things off, and yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. So I'm gonna have to take the height stuff off. For that, I need a screwdriver. I'm just printing the box itself. I already sent off the artwork. I'm gonna try to see if I did the height correctly. So I've already printed 2 different boxes. Okay, so here's a little update. It prints. That's the good part. The DTG, I can actually print on a box and it looks good. We've already confirmed it with the other small little square I did. The only problem I'm having right now is trying to get the correct height. Like, as you can see, it looks all smudged in there. It looks all nasty. See, it's not even printing correctly. That's because I can't get it to the actual height where it's like close to the head, but it's not too close. And that's the only thing I'm having a problem with. So I'm gonna keep trying to print these boxes, and I'll keep you guys. So I'm gonna keep trying to print these boxes till I get the correct height. Okay, so just printing the shirt. Hopefully it looks good. Let's just see. Yep, I think we finally got it. I finally got to the correct size. I'll let you guys know how I configured the height and everything. But it seems like it's coming out good, but I really can't see that good on top of this until it comes out. Wow, this is insane. Honestly, I didn't think it was gonna actually work, but this is crazy. Now you can have your own branded boxes. Take this tape off. Wow, this is like fresh out the printer. I mean, I printed it the wrong way, but that's compared to the other ones, that's an easy fix. I'm going to go ahead and dry it with the conveyor dryer. So as you can see, it does print on cardboard. You can actually use a DTG printer to print on cardboard, and I used it to print out on the shipping box. But honestly, you can use it to print a bunch of other stuff. That opens up a whole lot of more products that you can do using your DTG, and that's a whole nother line of products to make money with. Let's say someone needs little boxes for their kids' parties. You could easily charge them per box. Let's say they just want like 10-20 boxes to give away the little boxes of candies in them. You could charge them what, like $5 a box, or it just depends on your market. See what they're trying to do. Treat it like a white shirt. You could tell them, you know what, grab the white I make sure it's a white box, and I can print anything full color. Or if it's a different color box, you could just go onto your Photoshop or whatever program you use, put a red background in it, and then just see how it looks with the colors. Like, just try to mix it. Maybe that'll be my next video. Like, if it's a brown box, how to make sure, how to see how it's gonna come out before you print it. Or if it's a red box, how it's gonna come out. I mean, this is crazy. I honestly didn't think it was gonna work, but it just opens up a whole nother line of products that you can offer to your clients. I mean, I gotta think of other products, because honestly, I'm blown away at the fact that this actually worked. So let me know if you like this video, you like all this content I'm trying to produce. I'm gonna try to come up with ideas of what other products you can make. Now that I know that you can print on actual cardboard. I mean, can you print on, what other materials can you print on? Now it just got me thinking. I'm gonna keep testing different products and see which ones work and which ones don't. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like if you like this video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Now that you know that it can print on cardboard, what are you gonna print on? Like, give me some ideas. Thanks for watching my video.